So Dana, you and I met a while back because of a social media post, and one of the things that we'd like to talk about here is technology and advances in agriculture. So you invited me to come out to a lake pond in northern Vigo County. So what I'd like to do is show some of that video and have you tell us what's going on. Does that sound okay?
Excellent. Sounds good. Quick description of the trailer setup. We run a 600 gallon of water on our trailer at all times. We're able to cover 300 to 400 acres a day with that one drone. It's not something that we want to replace the helicopters, the airplanes, the ground rigs, but it has its purpose. There's a lot of fields that I've done here in the last year or two that guys would have never sprayed in the past. So they were losing yield, they were spreading disease that, just when the wind blows, that may happen. Where fields where they were like, oh, I would have never been able to get into that. Helicopters won't do it, airplanes won't do it, and I can't put my ground rig in there. Well, now with the drone, you're able to go in and do those smaller areas and get more work done. A lot of people don't want that chemical or whatever it is in their grass. At this point, we're applying fungicide on the corn, so they, but yeah, it's keeping it close quarters, house, residential, multiple, people standing around watching, so on and so forth. And I can keep that drone, where it needs to be, right, and eliminate that drift or overspray. Instead of going out and using the amount of product that you would think that it would take to cover all that water, right, I mean, we can go in and actually make a prescription map and just cover the spots that need it. Just apply to where it's mostly needed. I'm able to go in with a smaller drone, take some images, and really hone in and focus on just the area that needs to be.
Like I said, applying this at 2 gallons to the acre, applying anywhere from 10 to 12 feet. So I have my approach route set higher, it goes in, then it'll lower down to its approach, to where it's flying route.
And you pre-program the route?
Pre-program the route, yes sir. I know that it's leaving the boundary. Extremely accurate.
Dana Manuel is my name. I'm head pilot at UAV Precision Agriculture. 812-878-1509.